All right, so welcome back, everyone. In this video, I just wanted to show you maybe some potential things that might go wrong as you're trying to enter in your data. So remember, to get to your, when you're entering your data, you press the Stat button and you press Enter under the Edit menu. And you should hopefully see a list one and a list two. Remember, if there's already data, like say you already have data in these columns and you want to get rid of it, you're going to use these arrow keys. You're going to go up to list, like the list title. Make sure you don't press the delete button, press the clear button, and then press down. It'll delete the whole column. So press the clear button, not the delete button. But let's say you mess up. Let's say you press that delete button. What happens is it gets rid of one of your columns. Oh no, I don't have a list one. I don't have a list two anymore. One, you can either work with this, just enter in your data like you normally would. The only problem with that is now if you go to do your linear regression, when you do linear regression, it automatically assumes you're doing list one and list two. If you're not, you have to tell it which list you put your data in. So I don't know if you remember, I had my data under list 3 and list 4, so I got to let it know. So I do second 3. If you see, that's the list 3 button in yellow above, comma, and then tell what my Y value. You should always put your X value, then your Y value first. But I mean, assuming you put them in order, it should be like that. And you'd see, obviously, my thing doesn't come up because I don't really have much data. But that's one way you can get around it. But let's say I want to get my list 1 and my list 2 back up here. How you can do that is if you go above, like make sure you're highlighting up top. If you press the second and the delete button, you should see it says ins. That's short for insert. So if you press second delete, it'll insert a new column, and then you can make that whatever column you want. So list 1, and then I want to highlight to the right because I don't want to insert it. I want to insert my second column, second delete, and then I can do list 2. And then just make sure you put your data under list 1 and list 2. So just be really careful. You really won't have any issues so long as you don't press the delete button. Make sure you press the clear button when you're trying to get rid of everything in the column. But I hope this video was also a little bit helpful. But let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys are doing well. Bye, though. Let me figure out how to end this. Oh, no. Oh, no.